there, this is cloud. Today I'll show you the anti-corrosion dehumidifier, and this unit is the medium level. Let's see, it's the single cup tubes for the evaporator and condenser. Also, the stainless side pan. Let's see. Also, the wood pan here. Also is stainless. Here is the enclosed motor box. It can protect with the main board. And this place, it is the enclosed control panel places. It protects with the subplate. And the most important part is here, the electrophoresis evaporator and condenser. It's black, different from the usual blue one. I think you learn much with our anti-corrosion medium level. All the anti-corrosion parts is inside. When the panels are installed, you can see its shape is same as the zero unit. And for the anti-corrosion high level, it is all made by the stainless steel. You can see it directly. You can choose the suitable level according to your use situations. If you have any questions, please contact us freely. Thank you for your watching.